Hello everyone. So welcome to another video. So this is Suyog Vairagade and I am the final year student. So I have developed one chat application which is a WhatsApp lookalike chat application which works on server socket programming in Java, and I have developed this application using the Swing API, which is the uh, receiver of AWT package which was introduced in JDK 1.0. So we are in the new era where we exchange various messages through our phone. So I wanted to just find out how these messages goes from one device to the another device. Although I haven't made this as for the uh, for the connection between the two devices. It will run on the same platform for communication, but I just had the curiosity to see how the messages exchange happens. So I have developed this project which is named chat app. So let's quickly go into the code. I have uh, I have written two codes. One is the server code and another is the client code. So in server code, I have used various classes, functions, and methods in Java, the Swing package, and also in the and I have used .NET and .io for the socket connection, server socket connection in the server side, and I have used this socket class, which will socket class in the client code. So I have used various uh, GUIs for GUIs classes and functions to develop this app. So basically, I have done the class. I have used some class loaders. Some I have used the JPanel, the which is the class in the Swing package. Also, I have used image class. Also, there are some event listeners, mouse listeners uh, to uh, to make this application interactive. I have used timer class, which will show us that whether the user is active or whether if he is typing any text in the text box, so it will be displayed as typing. It will also show the time at which the message was sent. So for that I have used the timer class, and I have used the text field for writing the text, etc. So this is what the UI code will be like, and after that the I have written the code for the server socket on the server side. I have used the server socket class to assign a port, and I have used data input stream and data output stream to get the text message and to output the text message onto the text area, which will be displayed. And so this is about the server program, and the client program is almost the same as the server. The only change is that I have changed the name of the user, and that's only. And I have used here in the main class, I have used the socket class, which will be used to send the instruction to the server class, that this will be the IP address, this will be the local host IP address on which the application will run, and this will be the port on which the communication will happen. And just whenever the client sends request to the server for connection to a specific port, just I have given 6006 as the port number. As soon as the server accepts, as soon as it accepts the connection, it will give it will the connection the client will be connected to the server, and then we can send messages or exchange messages between the two programs. So that's all about this code. Now, so this is the server side program where I have given the name as Ganesh Gaitonde, and it is showing that this user is active now. So whenever I start typing any message like hi Bunty, so I will send. So you can see that whenever I type anything, there comes the message that there comes the display that the user is typing, and I will send this message. So I have sent the message. You will not be able to see because the port may be busy, but I will show you on the other side that from the client side. Client side will receive the message as soon as he will send the message as hi Ganesh Bhau. Hi Ganesh. So as I have sent, so you can see that at 12 p.m. I have sent the message, and at 12:01 it reached the message. So you can see on the both the windows that I have sent a message. So this is only the functionality, and in the near future I will be adding the video call preference for the users, and also some other uh, uh, themes like black theme or anything on the requirement basis. So that's all. Thank you for watching. So on the client side, you can see that the message sent by Ganesh Gaitonde will be displayed here, and there will be the message from Bunty to Ganesh Gaitonde. You can see the functionality here also, the typing, and I have changed just the icon of the Bunty, and the send button and all the GUI in the server program was the same, will be the same in client. So this is all about this uh, WhatsApp lookalike chat app. Thank you for watching.